5 seconds. It meant for mitigating unusual circumstances where immediate action is inevitable when the extant provisions of the law are inadequate. Repromulgation of an ordinance after failing to get approval within the stipulated time of both houses of parliament is an unconstitutional act by the President. The President should not incorporate any matter in an ordinance which violates the Constitution or requires an amendment to the Constitution. The President should take moral responsibility when an ordinance elapses automatically or is not approved by the Parliament or violates the Constitution. As per Article 53, the executive power of the country is vested in the President and is exercised by President either directly or through officers subordinate to him in accordance with the Constitution. When Parliament thinks fit, it may accord additional executive powers to the President per Article 70, which may be further delegated by the President to the governors of states per Article 160. Union Cabinet with Prime Minister as its head should aid and advise the President in performing his functions. Per Article 74(2), the Council of Ministers or Prime Minister are not accountable legally to the advice tendered to the President, but it is the sole responsibility of the President to ensure compliance with the Constitution in performing his duties. President or his subordinate officers is bound by the provisions of the Constitution, notwithstanding any advice by Union Cabinet. The primary duty of the President is to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law of India per Article 60. The President appoints the Chief Justice of India and other judges on the advice of the Chief Justice. He dismisses the judges if and only if the two houses of the Parliament pass resolutions to that effect by a 2/3 majority of the members present. The Indian government's Chief Legal Advisor, Attorney General of India, is appointed by the President of India under Article 76(1) and holds office during the pleasure of the President. If the President considers a question of law or a matter of public importance has arisen, he can also ask for the advisory opinion of the Supreme Court per Article 143. Per Article 88, the President can ask the Attorney General to attend the parliamentary proceedings and report to him any unlawful functioning, if any. The President appoints as Prime Minister the person may likely to command the support of the majority in the Lok Sabha, usually the leader of the majority party or coalition. The President then appoints the other members of the Council of Ministers, distributing portfolios to them on the advice of the Prime Minister. The Council of Ministers remains in power at the pleasure of the President. The President appoints 12 members of the Rajya Sabha from amongst persons who have special knowledge or practical experience in respect of such matters as literature, science, art and social service. The President may nominate not more than 2 members of Anglo-Indian community as Lok Sabha members per Article 331.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.